So here's my 1986 Chevy C10. I'm gonna go over a couple of details about it. It's been painted. A couple other mods I've done to it. A couple of things original. Let's see where to start. So, kick off with the radial tires here. Keep them on the ground. And these are 275 60 R15s. I mean, the rides are not that bumpy, but I'm not driving this vehicle every day. But for the most part, it's a smooth ride. Yeah, I just got it actually. Got it from Triple F Automotive down in Fort Worth, Texas. They did a good job on it actually. Sprayed in bed liner. Got the stainless steel bumper on that, step bumper. Dual exhaust. Let's see what else we got. Let's take a look at the inside. So the inside is pretty original for the most part. Got the original door panel here. I was looking to redo these, but they're not that bad. I mean, for about 30 years old, you can't beat it. And still got the carpet. It's holding up pretty good. Got power locks, power windows. The custom bench in here. It's the LS1 Silverado. Some good stitching. Let's see, we got a upgraded instrument panel. One thing, there was no radio in here, but I'll think about putting that in later. Got the auxiliary fuel switch here. Let's see. Yeah, for the most part, it's all original. And it's not that bad, actually, believe it or not. I mean, it's a nice vehicle. There's not too much I'm going to actually do to the baby. Let's take a look under the hood. All right. Oh, just to let you guys know, got the cowl hood on it. Right here, got that LS1 logo painted in there. I just waxed it actually. So let's take a look under the hood. All right, so here's what we got. I figure there's a lot of naysayers, but this is what I like, and you buy what you like. We got a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette LS1 motor in here. Only got 11,000 miles on it. It's not bad. I mean, the engine bay's all cleaned up. No rust at all. Real clean. Always room for improvement, but for the most part, I'm gonna be building on what I have right now. But I'll just be doing a little quick walkthrough, letting you guys just look at the vehicle. We're gonna start it up, actually. I'm gonna get a little bit more in depth inside there. Let's take a look at a little bit of everything. Got the cold air intake. It's a GM part. Here's the brain right here for the swap for the new motor. Not sure what motor it had in there, but I do know it was checked out the Carfax. It was about 300,000 miles on it. But after that, now we're gonna start this bad boy up. There she go. special, but hey, real quiet till you get on the road with it. See the building exhaust. It's not that loud. But that's it. It's that 1986 Chevy Silverado. I hope y'all like it. Trying to keep this car clean, keep it on the road for many more years.